Milford Sound, the most beautiful place in New Zealand, and probably could be the most beautiful place on Earth. And I'm going to tell you about my experience. We arrived at Milford Sound just before a big rain, so there was lots of water pouring down the tall mountain sides, which made it 10 times prettier than usual. The pure air at Milford Sound would make you feel simply lovely, and I couldn't wait to go explore more of this beautiful place. We took a cruise down Milford Bay, besides all the tall, steep mountains and spectacular waterfalls. I didn't expect to see any wildlife, but I was wrong. We saw lots of wildlife, like seals, who would lay in the sun and swim in the cool water. They were awfully cute. And seagulls teaching their young how to fly. It really was a very interesting thing to see. There was probably way more interesting animals to see, but we didn't spot anything else. It was the most pleasant cruise I've ever taken, and the memories would last a lifetime. We also got to drink pure fresh mountain water that the cruise people collected from one of the smaller waterfalls. It had a sort of a pea color to it, but that was only because of all the minerals it contained. It tasted just like normal water, but it had a slight mineral sweetness to it, which made it taste better. Plus I got a nice shower under the waterfall while they were collecting it. I was soaking wet. On the way back, we approached a huge waterfall. There was so much mist, and everybody was excited when the captain announced that we were going to go near it. As we approached the huge waterfall, I could start feeling the cold mist upon my face. When we got nearer to the raging falls, there was so much mist and spray that I had to cover my face. Everybody that was on the deck with me was laughing and screaming with joy, while my parents and other people who didn't want to get wet stayed inside but also enjoyed every bit of it. Well, for the rest of the ride, we just enjoyed the scenery and drank a nice warm cup of tea. not done yet. As we were driving back from Milford Sound, we saw this beautiful strange bird that came up to our window. It sort of looked like a parrot, but it was unfamiliar to us, and it seemed to be asking for food. Only later, when we went to the zoo, we found out that it was a native New Zealand bird called Kia. Well, that's all that I got for you today, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up for more interesting videos. Bye-bye!